And this amount makes about two 12-ounce glasses, or about 24 ounces total, somewhere around there. Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a super easy recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make my favorite green smoothie. I've been drinking a lot of smoothies and green smoothies lately. I'm trying to lose a few extra pounds. I've been eating a lot of treats and a lot of baked goods, and so I'm trying to minimize my calories that I have in the morning for breakfast. And so this green smoothie is really great for that. And it's super easy, and there's a lot of different things you can use for a green smoothie. And these are kind of like my 5-6 favorite ingredients that I use. I have one green apple. I have about a cup, and these measurements do not have to be exact. About a cup of green grapes, half a cup or so of a honeydew melon, and then I have a little bit over a cup, or just a big handful of spinach, big handful of kale, and a cup of water. That is it. Super easy. And then I have my Vitamix mixer, which I really love. I've been using this a lot. I love this Vitamix mixer. I will put a link down below to the particular model that I have. And I have the smaller container. This is a 48-ounce container, and you can get the larger ones as well if you have a big family. I'm by myself, so this works perfect for me. And it makes amazing smoothies. Takes away all the grit and stuff. They are not sponsoring me in any way, but the link in the description is an affiliate link. Okay, so let us do this thing. Let's put in a cup of water. I use filtered water because my tap water tastes gross. And then we will add the fruit. I have my cup or so of grapes, and then my honeydew melon. And then we will just cut up this apple really quick here. Don't have to get the pieces really small. Just put these chunks of apple right in there. And then I'll put in my kale. And then the spinach. Just kind of push it down a little bit. Put the top on. And now I'm going to turn it on and mix this up. And then with this particular Vitamix, you start at the lowest setting and then you incrementally raise it up till you get to the higher setting, and you just let it run on high for like 30 seconds. There we go, and it is ready. I'm going to take the lid off. It's super nice and green. I didn't have to add any kind of like green food coloring or anything, just from natural green ingredients. And then I will pour it in the glass, and this amount makes about two 12-ounce glasses, or about 24 ounces total, somewhere around there. And then I will clean my container, my Vitamix container, like right away before I even drink my smoothies. I'm very kind of particular about cleaning this thing right away. And there we go. 2 amazing green smoothies. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.